morning. Next rule of limit, that is rule number 2. Let's see rule number 2. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x divided by 1 raised to 1 minus 1 divided by x is equal to e. In short, અહીંયા જે આપેલું હોય એનું રેસિપ્રોકલ એના પાવરમાં હોવું જોઈએ. પાવર મીન્સ ઘાત. રેસિપ્રોકલ મીન્સ વ્યસ્ત. Say for example 1 upon 5 તો એનું રેસિપ્રોકલ થાય 5 upon 1. 10 upon 1 તો એનું રેસિપ્રોકલ થાય 1 upon 10. Okay, let's see first example. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 3x upon 5 raised to 2 upon x. Here 3x upon 5 is given, here 2x is given. So here in power we require 5 upon 3x. 5 upon 3x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 3x divided by 5. First 2 upon x is given. First we have to multiply it by 5. Next we have to multiply it by 3 upon 3. So limit x tends to 0, 1 upon. Here 1 minus required because in middle minus is given. So minus 3 upon 3. Minus 3x upon 5. Now 5 upon minus 3 multiplied by x, minus 3x. Power of power become multiplication. So remaining 2 multiplied by minus 3, 5. Because minus 3 and x is here. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 3x upon 5, 5 raised to 5 minus 3x raised to minus 6 divided by 5. So here this આની લિમિટ આપણે ખબર છે e raised to minus 6 by 5. This is your answer. Next rule number 2, second example. Limit x tends to 0. 4 take 4 common. Take 4 common. 1 4 common નીકળી ગયા એટલે બાકી વચ્ચે 3 1 3 raised to 4 અહીંયા છેદમાં નથી એટલે divided by 4. Same way 1 common નીકળી ગયા, 4 common નીકળી ગયા એટલે 1 5x divided by 4 raised to 1 upon x. Limit x tends to 0, 4 1 minus 3x upon 4 raised to 1 by x divided by 1 plus 5x divided by 4 raised to 1 by x. So here 2 example is given. Limit x tends to 0, 4. Here minus 3 divided by 4 we needed. So 1 upon 3x divided by 4, 1 upon x multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 4, 4 divided by 1 plus 5x divided by 4 raised to 1 upon x multiplied by 5 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 4. So limit x tends to 0, 4 1 minus 3x 3 4 અહીં આવી જશે 4 divided by minus 3x remaining minus 3 divided by 4 divided by 1 plus 5x divided by 4 raised to 4 divided by 5x 4 આવી ગયા એટલે બાકી વધશે 5 અને divided by 4 5 divided by 4 લિમિટ 4 આની લિમિટ થશે e raised to minus 3 by 4 upon e raised to 5 by 4 માઇનસની ઘાત કાઢવી તો છેદમાં લખશું 4 e raised to 3 by 4 multiplied by e raised to 5 by 4 ગુણાકાર એટલે ઘાતનો સરવાળો e raised to 5 plus 3 8 by 4 e raised to 2 this is your answer third and fourth rule number 3 limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n upon 1 is equal to e rule number 4 limit n tends to infinite 1 minus 1 upon n raised to minus n upon 1 is equal to e let's see example limit n tends to infinite 1 upon 2 so limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 2 upon n raised to n multiplied by 2 divided by 2 limit n tends to infinite 1 upon 2n raised to n upon 2 n square this is equal to e raised to 2 this is your answer e raised to 2 next example number 2 limit n tends to infinite take n common 1 minus 2 upon n divided by 1 plus 3 upon n raised to n limit n tends to infinite n 1 minus 2 upon n raised to 1 plus 3 upon n limit n tends to infinite n 1 minus 2 upon n raised to n 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 1 plus 3 upon n n multiplied by 3 by 2 limit n tends to infinite n 1 minus 2 upon n n by 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 plus 3 upon n n by 3 raised to 3 so આટલાની લિમિટ આપણે ખબર છે that is e here minus we have to multiply by minus 2 because in middle minus sign is given so n e raised to minus 2 upon e raised to 3 n e raised to 2 multiplied by e raised to 3 n e raised to 5 this is your answer next fifth limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 3 upon 2n n multiplied by 3 divided by 3 2 divided by 2 limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 3 upon 2n 2n divided by 3 2n divided by 3 so 3 divided by 2 આટલાની લિમિટ આપણે ખબર છે that is e raised to 3 by 2 this is your answer next example number 4 limit x tends to infinite limit x tends to infinite 1 plus 1 upon 3x raised to x multiplied by 3 divided by 3 limit x tends to infinite, 1 upon 3x raised to 3x upon 1 raised to 1 upon 3, because 3x divided by 1 છેદમાં e. આટલાની લિમિટ આપણે ખબર છે, that is e raised to 1 by 3. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus a upon x raised to x. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus a upon x raised to x multiplied by a divided by a. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus a upon x raised to x upon a multiplied by a. That means raised to a, e raised to a. This is your answer. Next, last of this rule, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 5 upon 3x raised to x multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 5 upon 3x raised to 3x upon 5. So 5 divided by 3. Here e raised to 5 by 3. This is your answer. So here our rule 2, 3 and 4 is completed. In next session we will start our next rule, that is 5 and 6. Thank you.